All right, superstars, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. Well, today is Sunday. You guys might get this video today or it might come to you on Monday. But nonetheless, I hope you guys had a phenomenal weekend. So, if you guys have been living under a rock and for whatever reason you don't know that I launched my own little ebook and it's live on Amazon, you can get it. The link will be in the description box below. But if you guys have been living under a rock and for whatever reason you don't know that we did that, we did. And you need to go check it out because it's super beginner friendly and it has really yummy, delicious juice recipes. We're going to make one for you guys today. As y'all can see, honey prep is everything. We have our kale, our green apples, our cucumbers, our lemon, and our ginger. You feel it in your spirit and in your soul to like, comment, share this video. If y'all hear shy, it is what it is. This is real life over here. Yes, mommy, that's my name. Your name is Shy. Careful, John. To like, comment, share on this video, please do so. But don't forget to click the notification bell and, of course, subscribe to the channel. So enough with my rattling on. Of course, the link, like I said, to the ebook will be in the description box. The ingredients that we used, you can get it from the ebook. Anyway, y'all, everything will be in the description box, but if you want the actual recipe to the juice that we're making today, because I'm just going to be dropping and going because I'm batch juicing, then you want to check out the link to get the ebook, okay? It's $4.99. It has really yummy recipes, and like I said, it's super beginner friendly. It's not going to be one of those juice recipes that have been literally recycled online and it has like 1,000+ juices that have probably never even been tasted and don't even taste great. I have filtered this through, careful. Okay, you say hi. Okay. Hi. All right, thank you. So, like I said, I'm gonna stop. Actually, I'm just gonna shut up and stop talking so we can get to juicing so y'all can see what we're doing. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, our other social media platforms will be linked as well. So, toodles, enjoy the video, enjoy the juice, and when we're done, I will give it a taste for y'all. All right, y'all, so like I said, I'm just going to drop and go. If you want the exact measurements for pretty much a single serving of the juice, then you guys would have to click the link to go to Amazon to get the ebook, okay? You won't be able to pay for it through the app. You can do it through the browser. I don't know why they have it set up like that, y'all, but you know, whatever. All right, we're gonna throw some ginger in there. This is the Nama J2 cold press juicer, you guys. Let's get her done. You want some? But just so y'all know, so we have kale in the juice, we have green apple, we have cucumber, we have lemon, and we have ginger. I want y'all to kind of see the pulp. Even though we have some nice wet ingredients in there, like it comes out really dry, which you want. It's smelling good. And I know a lot of people, here. So let's chat for a second, y'all. I know that a lot of people try to avoid green juices because they feel like it's gonna taste like grassy or whatever, but that's not the case. I think the only thing that I have ever had that actually tastes like grass is wheatgrass. And I can't do no more than a shot of it. So, you know, just bear in mind, obviously there's lemon in here. The green apple is gonna sweeten up the juice, but if you want a well-balanced juice that's going to kind of hit all of the requirements, you know what I mean, per se, then you can go the 80-20 rule. You know, obviously there's nothing wrong with having a juice that's all fruit. There's nothing wrong with having a juice that's all fruit, but if you want a balanced juice that's going to give you a little bit of everything, then you want to have a little bit of everything. You know what I'm saying? So we have our veggie, we have our fruit, we have our extra hydration from the cucumber, we have our inflammatory, fighters, we have our immune boosting fighters in here. Like, there's a lot of fiber in this drink. It's a good detox drink too, but just overall, like, it's like salad in a glass. I love good kale salad, honey. But I will list all the benefits of the juice. And now let me just leave with this, y'all. I say it all the time. I'm not a medical professional. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not a dietitian. So before you do any drastic changes to your diet, please consult with your doctor. Consult with your doctor and see what's okay for you and modify it. You know what I mean? Everything can be modified. Like, even if y'all do go online and you get the ebook, you can modify the recipe. You can mix and mingle. Like, get creative. Like, it was kind of designed the way that it is so that you don't feel like you have to stick to it. I encourage you in the book to get creative and experiment and, try new things with your palate so that you can get a little bit more well-versed with what is out there in terms of our fruits and our veggies. So that's enough of me talking. I'm talking too much and not juicing enough. So release our juice. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful. I would say that we basically did a cup of kale, about a full apple, somewhere over a cup or so of cucumber. We did 2 little knobs of ginger. More ginger, the more spicier, y'all. And then we did 1 lemon. So let's just keep it moving. Put your greens on the bottom, you guys, and put your heavy items on top so that they can help propel your ingredients through the juicer. So anything soft, put it on the bottom. Anything hard, put it at top. Now, if you have a juicer where you have to kind of single feed your ingredients, then obviously this doesn't pertain to that. But I love the Nama J juicer system because I can batch juice like this. And I don't have to do 1 ingredient at a time. So I'm saving time. You see it? Do you want some? Okay. Wait till I'm done, okay? Okay. And let me just say this, y'all. I am not advertising Nama. I mean, their system is a pricier system, but it's well worth every single penny. Am I telling you to go out today or tomorrow and buy this juicer? No. Can you do this without a juicer? Yes. If you have a blender, and you have a strainer, boom. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, you may need to strain it a couple times to control the amount of pulp that's in your juice, but no, you don't have to go out and buy this system. But if you're able to or in a position to start saving for, a more higher end juicer system, I mean, look how quickly all those ingredients got broken down, y'all. I don't have time to sit here and feed one piece of cucumber, 1 piece of carrot, 1 piece of apple at a time. I need to be able to throw everything in, juice, walk away while it's juicing, go do something else, come back, and empty the chamber. If I had the pieces cut small enough, I could just, like these apples, I could just drop them in here like so. I can push my kale through here, through the hole if I wanted to. And then it's just going to continue to juice, while it's doing its thing. Or while I'm doing my thing. That's an option too, y'all. I mean, some of them are too big. They ain't going to go through. My cucumber I won't be able to feed like that because I cut them round ways. But just so y'all can see, there is other options. not 100% of a fan doing it that way because I feel like it's a bit messy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dump everybody in here. I'm not gonna do, I only do a little bit more ginger. It's too much ginger. I mean, I don't mind it a little spicy, but I know Shy. Jason's not too much into the green juices, but Shy will sop them down. All right, we're gonna let this go, and I'm gonna see how much I'm working with after. I have more kale, I have more of everything, but we're going to see if we can get the rest of this to fill up here, which I feel like we're gonna get extra or more. And my goal is to fill up our quart-sized mason jar here. And I will have that for just like half of my work day. That mason jar size, y'all, quart size. You're just sipping on it throughout the day. Now, Nama does have an attachment strainer that you can kind of sit into your, any little remnants that slip through doesn't bother me, but that's just a me thing. If you want to strain it again, you totally can. So it's totally up to you. So we're definitely going to get more juice than a quart size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the juice into our pitcher here. That way I can stir everybody up really good. Let me grab another mason jar. All right, y'all, so here's all of our pulp, as y'all can see. Now, I don't compost or anything like that. I have not gotten into that stage of things. And sometimes I will reserve the pulp and do something with it. With this, I'm probably not going to do anything with it. I'm just going to keep it funky with y'all. But sometimes I do toss it in the grass to help, you know, give back, you know, the birds. I put like watermelon rinds outside all the time, and the birds, they come and tear it up. So that's probably what I'll do, is I'll just sprinkle it outside, you know, so somebody can come eat on it. But here is our green juice, you guys. It's so pretty. Let me stir it up. I like to give it a nice little stir just to make sure everything is incorporated. All right, y'all, here go your juice. This one is called the ENERGIZER, and it's in our ebook, y'all. Beautiful. Here's our second mason jar. Almost 2 quarts of juice, y'all. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Let's taste it. All right, y'all, let's taste it. It's so good. Y'all need to make this juice. But in order to make it, honey, you need to go get the ebook, okay? I'm telling y'all. It's going to be the best $4.99 you done spent. Get the ENERGIZER juice. Start your morning. It'll get you going, and it might get you going. But, you know. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the juice. I hope you enjoyed the ebook. If you purchase it, you won't regret it, though. Let me just say that. And then I'm going to get back to finishing dinner so that I can feed my kids. And I hope y'all have a great weekend. Like I said, you guys may get this video on Sunday, which is today, or you might get it tomorrow. But either way, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I hope you guys have an even better week. Spread love because it's free. It costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them. And happy juicing. All right, y'all. Bye.